some things are just for fashion, some things are just for the aesthetic, and the girls that get it, get it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Of course, I am Shante Ree. If you are new and it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. Make sure you stay a while. Hit the subscribe button if any of the content that involves fashion or lifestyle intrigues you. I know y'all read the title, and I'm gonna get straight into this unboxing and review. We have 2 pair of shoes from Blushmark. By the way, my brows look horrendous, but I am in the middle of a maintenance vlog, so I am gonna get these brows handled like ASAP, probably tomorrow, so don't mind that. But yeah, other than my brows looking crazy, we here for these, so I'm getting to it. Both of these came today. Actually, I have been waiting and so excited to get these because I don't know where these shoes came from. I don't know if these are like a dupe of a designer. I'm not sure. I just know that I've been seeing them all over Instagram and I wanted to give it a try. So these are from Blushmark. Just has their branding on each bag as it normally does when I've ordered from them in the past, even with clothing. So I do have the green pair. Now, some of y'all might be like, those are the cutest, ugliest pair of slippers that I ever seen. You know, some of y'all might feel like it's not your cup of tea, and then some of y'all might feel like they're different and, you know, it's a cute little vibe. So this is the green pair that I ordered. I will say, these are also on Amazon. You can find these at you know, a couple of different retailers. They are not hard to find at all right now. But I know that from reading reviews on Amazon, AliExpress, and even Blushmark, where I purchased these from, it's ideal to go a size up. Unless you don't mind your heel hanging off the back of the shoe, go a size up. So yeah, when I first opened these, well, I opened the tan pair. I didn't open these yet, as y'all can tell. But when I first opened these, I mean, I had the same, you know, same reaction as when I saw them online. Like, oh, these are different. Kind of cute, different. I like that they kind of look like little golf balls. I don't know. I guess it's the textured effect that it gives. I feel like if you pair this with the right pieces, you will come out with a fire outfit. So y'all, these are very affordable. If I'm not mistaken, I paid like $20 or $21 for both pairs. So that's 2 pair of trendy slippers for under $50. A couple of people did say that theirs were comfortable. I only heard one person say that they were uncomfortable. So I will be trying them out for myself. And of course, I'm gonna let y'all see what that's like. So yeah, this is the shoe. I'm not sure about these, but I know that my tan pair came with Gibbets, which I thought was so cute. And for reference, both pairs are a 41/42. So their size, and they have them grouped together. It's not just one number, it's 2 numbers together. So usually in, I think it's European sizes, I am a 39, so 8.5, 9 in US women's. And again, I size up, so that would be the 41/42. So now I'm gonna show y'all the tan pair. These pair I did already open and take apart. I I just feel like if I put the right pieces together, I'm for sure coming up with a fire fit that is, of course, affordable. So this is the tan pair. And honestly, I needed a new pair of shoes. I'm not gonna lie, these do look like bedroom slippers to me, but I mean, they're gonna get worn outside. You know, some things are just for fashion, some things are just for the aesthetic, and the girls that get it. So it does give off comfy bedroom slipper vibes, but I will not be wearing these as slippers. So side by side, if I can do it with my little hands. Okay, side by side, tan pair, green pair. I'm anxious to see what it feels like to walk on them. So I'm also gonna show the Gibbets that came with them. Okay, so it comes in a little baggie. Let's see what Gibbets I got. Not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna use them, so if you are not following me, you probably should follow me on Poshmark to see what pieces I throw in my closet on there for sale and possibly catch some stuff. So that's 2 of the Gibbets. And I'm gonna put them back in here so I can keep up with them. And then got that one. A little red heart. Black Girl Magic, because period. Then you have another heart and Girl Power. So they sent a package of Gibbets, which I thought was nice because these do have holes too in them so that you could add your little Gibbets. But I actually already have one that's my favorite currently, and I haven't found another one that I like enough to add onto my shoes. So that's that. And now we can do our own foot part. Y'all have to excuse me. It is clearly time to shave and I missed the memo. So my leg hair is on wool right now, but so they felt a little weird when I first put them on, but I just think these are so freaking cute. Like, what? They're honestly comfortable. They're not bad. So that's the top view. I love that I sized up because as you can see, my foot is not hanging off the edge. I love that for me. They do not look too small. So yeah, that's the top view in the tan ones. Turn y'all around. That's how it looks like that from the front.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me if I ever heard one.
So y'all, this is the green pair. I'm feeling it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And that is pretty much all for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Again, make sure you subscribe if you like the content. And I will see y'all in the next video.